Hi guys, it's Kings here, and with me are three different Lenovo laptops. The first one is Lenovo ThinkPad X250, and then we have Lenovo X1 Carbon right over here. You can confirm. Finally, we have Lenovo ThinkPad T490S, and you can confirm. All these laptops have one thing in common. If you ever find yourself with a Lenovo laptop that is not turning on, or maybe you've pressed the power button and you're not getting display, you're only seeing the keyboard blinking, then they have one thing in common that helps you to hard reset the machine so that you do away with what you normally call power surge that prevents the laptop from normal booting up. And when you look at the bottom cover of these Lenovo laptops, try and find a small hole at the back of the cover, and you can see right over here, this is the hole. This is the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon. For the T490S, we don't have it here, but if you check, we have the hole right over here. For the X240, we have it somewhere here. So for most of the Lenovo laptops, you must find these reset pin hole on Lenovo ThinkPads. We have at the bottom cover, but if you have a Lenovo IdeaPad, then check it on the sides, especially on the right. Once you have that hole, find yourself a small pin like this, the pin that normally you use to maybe remove SIM card from a mobile phone, or just a needle, and then turn off the laptop. Long press here with the pin. Long press on it until you feel that click. Once you feel that click, hold on to it for roughly 30 seconds. Ensure it's 30 seconds or more. After that, just come and turn on your laptop, and you'll expect it to boot up normally. Now, just to confirm to you the pin that I'm talking about, I'll have to open this particular Lenovo ThinkPad X240 so that I show you the pin that we have right inside there. Yeah, so you can see on the Lenovo ThinkPad X250, this is where we had the hole. Just straight another hole, you can see we have this button right here. So this is normally the reset button. If your laptop is not turning on normally, maybe you're pressing on the power button and you're just having the power button blinking or the keyboard blinking, but there's no display, that is when this particular button comes in, and it really helps. If you long press on this for 30 seconds and still your laptop is not turning on, then come and detach this inbuilt battery you have right over here for Lenovo, because most of Lenovo laptop X240s or X series, from X250, X270, they normally have two batteries. So once you remove the external battery, you have this inbuilt battery to deal with. Detach this inbuilt battery. You have another connector here that goes to CMOS battery. So detach this particular cable here to detach the CMOS battery, and then this one to detach the inbuilt battery. After you're done with that, come again and long press on the power button for 30 seconds. Then before you turn it on, long press again on this reset button for 30 seconds. Then put back the battery and try turning on your laptop, and you expect it to turn on and function normally after that. If you tried those procedures and they work for you, let me know in the comment section. If they didn't work for you, let me also know in the comment section so that I can help you further if you're still having any issues. Otherwise, don't forget to leave a like as usual, and don't forget to subscribe for more informative videos like this one. See you on the next one.